జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. కిష్కింధాకాండ. ఓ రామా, వాలి, to show his shoulder strength, what does he do now? He goes into the forests with only his shoulders, tarasa bhagna balam. He breaks out, he unroots all huge trees. To that extent he is strong. Like this, Sugriva is trying to give a very clear picture of Vali's power to Sri Ramachandra Swami. Sugriva is now talking to Sri Ramachandra Swami and telling Sri Ramachandra Swami more about Vali's strength, saying that, "Oh Rama, one Mahishasura used to be there. His name is Dundubhi. He looks like a Kailasa Sikharam. Balam Nagasahasrasya Dharayamasa Viryavan." That Dundubhi has strength equivalent to thousands of elephants. Because of all that strength, that Dundubhi, with so much of arrogance, one day he went to Samudra and called on Samudra for a fight. Then Samudra said, "Oh Dundubhi, I am not capable to fight with you, but I will tell you who can fight with you. Oh Dundubhi, there is a mountain named after Himavan. He is Shankara's Vesuraha, Shankara's uncle. So he is able to fight with you. Go to him and invite him for yuddham, for a war." Then that Dundubhi, with so much of speed, went to Himavan and invited him for yuddham, war. Then that Himavan says, "Oh Dundubhi, I can't fight with you because tapasvi saranam hi aham. All the rishis are doing their tapas on my mountain. I can't fight with you now, but I will tell you who can fight with you." That Himavan told Dundubhi like this. "Oh Rama, what Himavan said is, Vali nama mahaprajnaha sakratulya parakramaha." That Himavan saying to Dundubhi, "Oh Dundubhi, Vali, there is a Vanara, such a great Vanara, very intellectual Vanara, very strong Vanara. He is an equivalent to Devendra in the strength. He lives in Kishkindha. He does definitely fight with you. You can go ahead and invite Vali for you to fight." Himavan said to Dundubhi like that. Then Dundubhi went to Kishkindha. Standing at the main entrance of Kishkindha, he started screaming. Then Vali came out in that night along with all his spouses. And Vali said to Dundubhi, "Oh Dundubhi, I know that you are very strong, but why are you screaming at my entrance? You go away from here and save your life." Like that Vali told Dundubhi. Then Rama, what Dundubhi said, "Oh Vali, you are speaking very high just because you have so many your wives around you. Don't exaggerate yourself. Come on, fight with me now. I would like to understand your strength. Oh Vanara, oh Vali, if not now, I can wait until tomorrow morning, because you have so many wives around you. Tonight you spend with your wives and you meet all your friends. You also look around your Kishkindha with to all of your satisfaction, and make one as a king to your Kishkinda. Then tomorrow morning you can come to fight with me. Oh Vali, I do not want to fight with you now because yohi mattam pramattam va suptam va. I don't want to fight with the one who is drunk. I do not want to fight with who is not alert. I do not want to fight with who is in the sleep. I do not want to fight with who has no arms, no weapons. Because if I fight with any of these categorized people, there will be so much of sin. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.